There's a question about using magnets as clasps, and could you tell me what the reason of the interruption is? Is it the higher magnetic force compared to the gemstones, the material of the magnet, or a polarity issue? So this individual is wondering if he can use magnetic clasps with gemstone necklaces. And I said, what I told him was that the magnetic clasps provide an energy field that the gemstones really aren't very familiar with. So I would not recommend it, and I didn't feel that the gemstone energies could move around the necklace. They'd come up against the magnet clasp and go like, whoa, now what do I do? Two things can happen. The energies aren't going anywhere, or they might start to build up on your neck, and that might create neck stiffness, and you're thinking, well, if the necklace isn't good for me, it's causing my neck to be stiff, and really it's the clasp. So I would not recommend using the magnetic clasps. Ideally, the necklace should move. The energy should move around the necklace. I don't believe that square or rectangular shaped clasps are helpful, because what does the rectangular shape do? It's a very physical, grounded, box-like energy field, and it's really good if you need a platform, if you need some stability, if you need to set your boundaries, but to get energy to move around it, not so good. Any kind of clasp that is a loop, a circle, that can definitely work. There are some inexpensive 14 karat gold and silver circle clasps, but I preferred not to use them because I wasn't so comfortable with how strong they were. Our clasps are a little stronger. And when I saw the infinity symbol that they had, these infinity clasps, it was like, oh yes, that was just amazing to me, because I felt that that infinity sign would also help the energy move, more than just a circle that might just passively allow the energy to move. This would help it move along.